If you think you know everything about Apple's AirPods, think again. The new AirPods Pro 4 is packed with features that will blow your mind. From cutting-edge audio technology to unparalleled user experience enhancements, these earbuds are not just an upgrade, they're a revolution. Today I'm going to walk you through 10 of the most exciting new features of the AirPods Pro 4. First up, we have advanced spatial audio. While previous generations offered impressive 3D sound, the AirPods Pro 4 takes it to the next level. Using enhanced head tracking and dynamic algorithms, these earbuds provide an immersive audio experience that adjusts in real time. Whether you're watching a movie or playing a game, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Next, let's talk about the adaptive transparency mode. This feature allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while still enjoying your music. The AirPods Pro 4 can automatically adjust the level of transparency based on the noise level around you. So if you're in a quiet park, you'll hear more of the ambient sounds. But if you're in a noisy cafe, the AirPods will filter out the background noise more effectively. Improved noise cancellation is another standout feature. The AirPods Pro 4 uses advanced algorithms and enhanced microphone array to block out more external noise than ever before. This means you can enjoy your music, podcasts, or calls without being disturbed by the world around you. One of the biggest complaints with the earbuds was the fit. Apple addresses this with a customizable fit feature. The AirPods Pro 4 comes with multiple sizes of silicone tips and an ear fit test in the setup process. This ensures that everyone can find the perfect fit for their ears, providing maximum comfort and optimal sound quality. Battery life has always been a critical factor for wireless earbuds. The AirPods Pro 4 delivers enhanced battery performance, offering up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge, and up to 30 hours with the charging case. This is perfect for those long commutes, flights, or just all-day listening. In addition to enhanced battery life, the AirPods Pro 4 also feature faster charging. Just 5 minutes into the case gives you around 2 hours of listening time. So if you're in a hurry, a quick charge will get you back to your music in no time. Audiophiles rejoice. The AirPods Pro 4 now support lossless audio. This means you can enjoy your favorite music in the highest quality possible, with richer detail and a more dynamic range. Apple Music subscribers will particularly benefit from this feature, as they can stream their tracks in lossless quality. Losing your AirPods is a thing of the past with enhanced Find My integration. The AirPods Pro 4 are equipped with the U1 chip, enabling precise location tracking. You can use the Find My app to see exactly where your earbuds are, and even get directions to them. Plus, they can emit a sound to help you locate them if they're hidden under a cushion or in another room. Touch controls on the AirPods Pro 4 have been significantly improved. You can now control volume, skip tracks, and answer calls with a simple gesture on the earbuds. These intuitive controls make it easier than ever to manage your listening experience without having to reach for your phone. Last but not least, seamless device switching has been enhanced. If you're watching a movie on your iPad and a call comes in on your iPhone, the AirPods Pro 4 will automatically switch to the incoming call. Once the call is over, they'll switch back to your iPad. This feature works across all Apple devices, making the user experience incredibly smooth and convenient. The Apple AirPods Pro 4 are more than just earbuds. They're a glimpse into the future of personal audio. With advanced features like enhanced spatial audio, adaptive transparency mode, and lossless audio support, these earbuds set a new standard for what we can expect from our listening devices. If you're an Apple fan or just a lover of great audio, the AirPods Pro 4 is definitely worth checking out. So, what do you think of these new features? And are you excited to get your hands on the AirPods Pro 4? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.